y'all, so last minute I decided I wanted to do a soft Valentine's Day look. Of course, you can do this look anytime. I think it's very spring appropriate. I'm waiting on spring, you guys. I cannot wait for spring. We have had such crappy weather. It's done nothing but rain here in Kentucky. If it was warm, it would kind of be like spring with all the rain. But yeah, there's flooding everywhere. It's been crazy. I'm getting so off track. I'm rambling. But yes, I cannot wait for spring. I hope you guys enjoy this. It's done with affordable products. And if you are new here, I use all natural lighting. I want you guys to see colors for how they are. I don't want them to look brighter. I want you guys to see my skin, all of that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, wait. And I have to tell you guys, my eyes are already primed and set in every video, so we can get right into it. So yeah, I'm gonna hush and let's hop in. Oh, and you guys, tell me if you have any awesome plans for Valentine's Day. So yeah, let me know down below. Okay guys, bye. Hair is out of the way. I had to put a sweater on because it's freezing in here, and I'm sorry if you can hear rain. It's done nothing but rain here pretty well all winter, so that's what we're dealing with. So for this really soft, sexy Valentine's kind of pinky look, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Mastery palette again. You guys know I'm in love with these palettes. I got out the LA Girl Hot Heat palette as well. Oh, if you have this one, this color, you're done. You can throw any of these purples on the lid. This one, that would be beautiful. I thought about using both palettes, but I want to stick to one palette, so we're going to stick to this one. So we're going to do this application a little bit different. I'm going to go in with our shimmer shade first, and then we're going to work around that. So the shimmer I want to go in with is this one right here. If you watched my initial review of this shimmer is more of a shimmer. It's not a boom in your face metallic. Don't get me wrong, it does have some punch to it, but it is still soft, and that's exactly what we're going for. So I'm gonna put this on the lid, and we're gonna put something over top of this as well, but this is where I want to start. I'm just rubbing this all over the lid. You can see it's still kind of bang, but it's not as much as the others in this palette, because trust me, they'll knock your socks off. I'm just kind of rubbing this all over the lid, and then I'm patting just to make sure that it's on there well. And we can always go back in, but this first initial layer, I just want to make sure I have it down and it's not patchy, there's no bare spots, and that's it. I've got a JH33 brush, and I'm gonna take this color right here. It's like a pinky purple. I'm gonna get that pretty loaded on my brush. Sorry, my dog's walking around. He's been sick, so he's in the house, plus it's raining. He goes in and out, but he's not feeling too hot, so he's just been laying around. Poor guy. We're gonna take this right above that shimmer shade. Remember, like I said, we're going for a more subdued look, not anything over the top. I want this just to be really soft. So I'm really gonna work on not taking my shades up too high. A lot of the time where I have so much space in between my lid and my brow, I really tend to blow my shades out. But with this, I want to keep it tapered and lower, and I don't want anything over the top. That's not saying that I'm not going to blend this out too much, because there's a good possibility. But I'm really gonna try not to. I'm really focusing blending right here. I'm so sorry, my dog is walking. You can hear his toenails on the ground. I'm gonna take a little bit of these two and mix them together with a fluffy brush. And then I'm going to take that right above. I just want a light wash of color up here. You guys see a theme here. We're going soft. I'm going to grab the highlight shade up here. Put it on the brow bone. And if you want to make this more, what's the word I'm looking for? Holy cow, like more seductive, if you want more depth in this look, I would absolutely grab this one. You could even do this dark brown and it would look beautiful. But I really just want to keep this light, kind of keep the eyes open, nothing too dark. Just gonna work on blending this just a little bit more. I'm gonna grab our first brush one more time, go back in with the shade we put on or in the crease, and I'm gonna grab just the littlest bit of it and tap it on right there. It's like something needs to be right here. So just a little smidge of it. And then I'm going to put this Almay Velvet Foil Cream Shadow over top. This is in 020 Cupid Glaze. You only need a teeny tiny bit of this, like, I mean practically nothing, and it gives that wet, glossy look to the eyes. So I'm going to put that right over top of our shimmer shade. The shades are really close, but you can see it lightens it up just a little bit and gives it that super wet, beautiful look. That is so stinking pretty. And that's it for the eyes, you guys. I am going to go off camera, do this eye, but you guys seen, we used just a couple of shades really. Eyelid, one shade in the crease, blended that just a smidge with mixing a couple shades, but this takes no time at all, and it's so beautiful and so just Valentine's Day. Really soft, not over the top, not a bunch of red. It's more pinky, purple, just, I love this. I love this more subdued, softer, more feminine look. That's what it is to me. It's just more feminine. So yeah, I'm gonna hush and I'm gonna go off camera and I'll see you guys in just a second. I've seriously been fooling with this friggin' eyelash forever now. So now that it's on, these are from Sephora. I threw away the packaging. I don't recommend. They're just not bent enough. Like they're not curved enough. I tried and tried to bend it and bend it and bend it, and this freaking inner corner just kept popping up. So let's go in, do the lower lash. I wanted to add more warmth in here, so we're gonna take this peachy guy right here, which is one of my favorites in this palette, on a really small pencil brush. We're gonna put it right on the lower lash. And where we aren't doing this kind of over the top, I'm keeping it pretty close in there. Like, I'm not gonna blow it out. Oh, fudge. Oh, right in my eyeball. But I'm not going to blow it out too much. I'm telling you guys, this friggin' inner corner, I'm probably going to remove these as soon as I get done filming this. It's that bad, you guys. It's that bad. Okay, I went ahead and just on half, like from half to the outer corner, this is my favorite ever. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner. This one's brown. I wanted to give it a little bit of definition, but not too much, where we're going so soft with this look. And I need to throw some mascara on really quickly on the lower lashes, and we are golden. So let me throw this on. I'm using, son of a bee, hold that thought. So this is just Clinique. It's one that coats my bottom lashes, but it's not anything great. But my youngin' just called and was talking about his report card. I wish they wouldn't even give him his report card. My youngin' is 13 and he's autistic. And I wish that they would give me his report card instead of him, because he had a bad grade on there, and then he starts getting really down on himself. And our middle school and high school is, I don't know the right words to use. It sucks. If you are a special needs parent, our middle school and high school really aren't good. They don't really have any options. Our elementary schools are amazing, but then when you get into middle school and high school, there's really nothing for them. So he's in all regular classes, and it's hard for him to keep up. It is, honestly. So he's upset. He's got a bad grade, and he takes that really personally. He's by far a people pleaser, and he wants to do good, and he follows all of the rules, and he likes to please people. He does. And when he sees a bad grade on his report card, he takes that really hard. Like he's not smart, and he's doing things wrong, and I hate that. Children shouldn't have to go through that. So sorry about this rant. I got upset. His pappy picked him up from school, and he said, I've got some good news. And I said, what's that? He said, I got my report card. And he said, I have some bad news. I got a bad grade. So yeah, I guess I'll be calling the school tomorrow and all of that. I don't know. But yeah, all you other special needs parents out there, all you strong mamas, I get it. Trust me, I get it. I am open for discussion if you guys want to talk about anything. But yeah, we are in 6th grade, and the work is rough. It is. It's rough for me, and I'm an adult, let alone an autistic child. So yeah, anyway, let's get back to this makeup. This is our final look. Just really soft, feminine, sexy but understated. So I love this, you guys. I absolutely love these LA Girl Pro palettes. You guys know that. You really can't go wrong with them. They're amazing. But I love this just really soft, subdued look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't think I'm forgetting to say anything. If I am forgetting, I will post it down below, because now I'm all off track. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed enough to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.